Hi all, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we're going to do issue 25 of Build the Terminator. Now, we have got quite a bit to do in this issue, so I don't know how long this video is going to be. I hope it's going to be a bit longer than the other videos because they've been very short. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this, so let's get modelling. Okay, so like always, I've got my parts laid out all in order so that we don't get confused. Just a note, we have got this part that's come in this issue. This is metal, but we're not actually going to need it, so we need to put that aside for a later stage. But the first thing we need to do is need to bring across this part here and this part here. Now these came on a sprue, so I've cut them all off just so to make life easier. And basically we need to put this together like so. But what we need to do before we do that is we just need to put some super glue on. So let me get some super glue out. Starting to run out of this super glue, so I'm hoping to be back in the shop soon because being out of stock this glue. Okay, so what we're going to do now, it does say to run the super glue on this bit, but I'm just going to run it down the inside here, just so it's I find I won't get glue on my fingers, so I can just slot this into place. So a bit more glue, keep going with it. Always make sure there's enough glue. Okay, just a tiny bit more, and then I'm happy with that. And basically we just need to slot this into place. I'm just going to hold it there for a second while the glue goes off a little bit, but this is quite fast setting glue. So okay, so now we've done that, we need to bring this across that we'd be working on in the last issue, and we just need to please note that these screws are in the right position on this, which they are. And the first thing we're going to be doing is we're just going to slot this piece into here like so. Now I'm going to have to hold on to it because if I don't, that's going to happen, so I'll hold on to this while we do it. The next piece, which is this piece here, we need to put into there. And then the next piece is this piece here, we need to put into there. Looking very nice already. The next piece is this piece here, and this goes in this way. And then the last piece is this piece here, and that goes into there like so. Then what we need to do is we need to get this big spring, and we just need to pop it down into there. Now the next bit is going to be a little bit tricky because basically we've got this face plate to put on, and it's got to go on a certain way, so it basically goes round that way, and we need to compress this, but then we need to also put a screw into it as well. So let's get it on top of the spring like so. So just double checking the orientation of this, which is fine, and we're going to push that down. Okay, so while I'm holding it like that with my fingers, we need to screw 3 screws in here, here and here, and they're just going in, and these are PM 3x6mm screws. So it does want to jump, but just try and keep it in place. One like so. And get another one. And we do have 2 lots of screws in this. We have PM 3x6mm screw, and we've also got some PM 3x8mm screws. So I'm nearly done. Get that other bit in. Once these bits are in, I can let go and we can put the last screw in. So last one going in, like so. Okay, and that's that in. That's looking quite nice, nice and heavy. Okay, so the next part we need to bring across is this part here, and this is simply going to go on that part there, but we need to glue this in. So let's get some glue on our cocktail stick. Again, it says to glue this part, but I'm not. I'm going to glue on here because, like I said, I don't want to get glue everywhere. And I need a new cocktail stick because I've actually just put that in my 3-in-1 oil. I've got a habit of doing that for some unknown reason. So let's get a new cocktail stick out. Now I need it again then. And just keep going with the cocktail stick. I might just put a few dabs just onto the plate, just to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. So now we bob this on, just like so. Just going to hold that there, just while the glue takes, as always. Oh, not yet. So while I'm just holding this, I'll say what's the next bit. So the next bit we need to bring across is this bit here. And we are going to be screwing this bit here into here. Still a little bit loose, so let me just hold that in place. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to bob this on top of here. You notice it's got a peg there. That has to go in the hole, so it only goes in one way. Now once we've done that, we need to screw it in with the PM 3x8mm screws, and you can tell what they are because they are the longest screws that we've got in this issue. This is certainly going to have some weight to it when completed. So we screw that down. I don't know if you can see that. That's the first one in, and we'll just get that last one. So I'm hoping tomorrow the postman will come and he'll bring me some Ecto 1, because Monday is normally Ecto 1 day for me, and I don't have any issues, so nothing's come in the post. Okay, so that's now in. So the last thing we need to do is we just need to get this part here. It's like a bit of a pipe, and we need to put it in to this bit here. Now I'll show you on a close-up camera. Here we go. You'll see there's a little notch, and down underneath there, if I can get to see it, there's like a little bit of a notch, so it can only go in one way. Okay, so what we're going to do is just going to dip this end in some super glue in my trough, and we're just going to bob that down into there like so, and that is the completed issue 25, and that looks very nice. Got a bit of weight to it, but yeah, I believe this is going to be a shoulder part. So yeah, it's looking quite nice. And that's it for today's build on the Terminator. I hope you like this video. I am live tonight. We are doing issue 9 of the Spitfire show at 8 o'clock, so please come along and watch that live show. Issue 9, I kind of know it's a little bit difficult, so that's why we're not doing 2 issues, we're only doing 1. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up please, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe bell. And yeah, hit the notification bell as well and be notified of future videos. Also, in the description of this video down below, there is also where you can still get this model from Agora Models, so the website is on there. Also, there is my wish list and all the links to the social media pages that I have for this channel. But as for always, bye for now guys. Bye. Bye.